I rise in support of the budget. I want to say thank you to our budget chair as well as the legislative leaders for the work that we have put in to getting to this budget on June 26th. It was just a month ago on May 26th during Committee of the Whole that I raised one of the most important issues facing our state, which is the rising surge of COVID-19 infections in our prisons. When I spoke on May 26, there were 900 statewide infections, 0 at San Quentin State Prison. But today, when I speak to you, there are 4,223 infections and 548 positives at San Quentin. When I rose on May 26th, I asked the Director of Finance for a plan. How will our prisons plan for a surge? How will they plan for an outbreak? How will they plan for the need for hospitalization for people who are sick and infected with COVID-19? It's now June 26th, and there is no plan. There is no plan at all. There is no testing system for any staff at San Quentin right now. A judge had to rule that they must test the staff, but there is no ongoing test for staff to make sure that they're not bringing COVID in, and there is no plan for how to make sure that the inmates, the prisoners at San Quentin, are protected or anywhere else in prison facilities throughout the state. Now, I have been assured. Again, I asked a month ago at Committee of the Whole for a plan and a plan for hospitalization. I've been assured by the governor's staff that I will be receiving a detailed plan, but my community is waiting. My hospitals are concerned. They see the rising rates of infection across the state and in our community. There is community spread throughout California, that we need to plan for those rising needs for hospitalization and ICUs, but at the same time, we have an uncontrollable outbreak in our prisons that will overwhelm local hospital capacity in many of our communities. We are waiting for the plan I asked for on May 26. It's June 26 today. Yesterday, during a call with our budget chair and our sub-budget chair on public safety, we spoke with the federal receiver, where he admitted his culpability, his mistake. He used the word mistake in ordering the transfer of prisoners from Chino to San Quentin. And I am calling on Judge Tygar to relieve the federal receiver, Clark Kelso, of his duties as the receiver and to replace that person with someone who can more competently make sure that our prisoners are receiving adequate care. Thank you.